Signs that the shock absorbers are failing. Shock absorbers are a crucial part of a car's suspension system, and their job is to absorb road shocks and vibrations to provide a smooth, controlled ride. It is important to note that these signs can also be caused by other problems in the car, so it is advisable to have a professional mechanic perform a detailed inspection to determine if the shock absorbers are failing or if there are other underlying causes. If the shock absorbers are found to be failing, it is important to replace them as soon as possible to maintain the safety and performance of the car. When shock absorbers begin to fail, the car can send a series of signals indicating that it is time for them to be checked or replaced. Some of the most common signs a car may experience when the shock absorbers are failing include: 1. Excessive vibrations. If the shock absorbers are worn or damaged, you may start to feel excessive vibrations in the steering wheel or the floor of the car while driving. These vibrations can make driving uncomfortable and worsen over time. 2. Excessive bounce. Shock absorbers are responsible for controlling the bounce of the car after going over potholes or road irregularities. If the shock absorbers are worn, you may notice that the car bounces more than normal after hitting a bump, which can affect the stability and control of the vehicle. 3. Excessive roll. Shock absorbers also help control the roll of the car in curves and turns. If your shock absorbers are failing, you may notice increased car roll, which can affect drivability and safety. 4. Difficulty braking. Worn shock absorbers can affect the braking ability of the car, as they can cause the wheels to not stay in proper contact with the road. 5. Uneven tire wear. When shock absorbers do not function properly, tires can wear unevenly, which can result in lower performance and shorter tire life. 6. Strange sounds. Worn shock absorbers can make squeaks or knocks when going over potholes or irregularities in the road. These noises may indicate that the shock absorbers have lost their ability to properly dampen the car's vibrations. 7. Vehicle lean. When braking. If you notice that the car leans forward excessively when braking, it is possible that the shock absorbers are worn and are not providing the necessary resistance to maintain the balance of the vehicle. 8. Loss of control. When cornering. Worn shock absorbers can cause the car to lose traction and control when cornering, which can be dangerous, especially in rainy conditions or slippery roads. It is important to note that the cost of replacing shock absorbers can vary depending on the model and make of the car, as well as the type of shock absorbers chosen. However, since shock absorbers play a crucial role in vehicle safety and performance, it is essential to attend to any